This is Neon Snail back again. Today looks like I'm racing the rain. If you're a racing fan, you should be excited because it's May. Indy time. Indy meaning Indianapolis 500. Nice little matching jerseys or whatever they call those things. Yeah, though I wish I had a buddy that had a matching biker jersey or I don't know what matching jacket. Speaking of jackets, why don't they make purple jackets for men? It's not a girly color. Then I would match my bike. I'd be like the gay purple Power Ranger. Woo! Woohoo! Purple Ranger! What dinosaur would I be? The electric eel dinosaur. That's what it would be. I'd be an electric eel. Neon eel. Oh. Why did I choose snail? I should have been an eel. That would have been way cooler. Oh. Darn it. Race in the rain. Don't want to get wet, but I like the thrill. Hey look, it's a biker. He's racing the rain too. Better wave. And the police officers are standing there. I didn't do anything. I'm innocent until proven guilty. Or am I guilty as charged? I don't know. This light hates me. It hates me. What I really need is a car to pull up behind me so this light will turn green. That's what I need. That's what I need. Because I'm racing the rain and it's catching up. Crap. Crap. Come on, people. Someone's got to pull up behind me. Come on. Come on. Help me out. Oh, no. Just inch forward. Hopefully I'll trip the signal. This light sucks. Oh, how it sucks. Should I run it? Should I do it? I don't know. Come on. I'm thinking about doing it. No one's behind me. No one's coming. Screw it. I'm not gonna wait here all day. Woo!
Your attention, please. The track is open for qualification. And he's on it.
See, I still miss my 250 Ninja. You could go full throttle on that thing. Just ring it out for everything it was worth. That was fun. This is fun too, though. It's very fun. It's just a different type of fun. Riding home from school? is he ditching school? School sucks anyway, so yeah. Don't listen to me, kids. School is important. Scrub them off. Scrub them off. Scrub them off. He got pretty far, actually. It seems kind of messed up that he's wearing a helmet and his girl isn't. Like, if I had a girl on the back of this, I'd say, hey, you take the helmet, and I'll catch flies. And I'll get my head knocked out if we crash, not you. Hey, that's just me. I'm just a snail, so what do I know? So yeah, maybe Neon Snail is accepting applications for a lady on the back. I don't know though. I don't know if I'd want a lady on the back. I'd rather have a lady who rides her bike, her own bike. We can ride together. Just sitting on the back, like, yeah, I don't know. To each their own. Here comes Neon Snail into the third turn. Green is in the second turn. God, I'm a nerd. No one gets this either, I guarantee you. Watch to please a lady and you'll know what I mean. In the short chute. And out of turn 4. Checkered flag in the air. And it's a new track record.
It's a good one. Real good one.
Kudos to anyone who understands that. Motorcycle beatbox. That's pretty good. Well, thanks again for taking a ride with me. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I know I certainly did. And we'll see you next time. This is Neon Snail signing off. See you next time.